7 किलोमीटर चलना है, तभी से थक गई हूँ।
Welcome to the second part visiting Omkareshwar Mandir today.
जैसे हिल्स में बनते हैं ना, वैसे घर लग रहा।
After a long stretch of silence and fatigue, we saw an entrance which was named Surya Chandra Dwar, and then ahead when we went, we saw a मंदिर जो टूटा हुआ था. Then when we walked ahead, we saw the river beside us, और तभी मुझे लगा कि हाँ अब मंदिर पास में ही है. This is the lane which connects to the मंदिर line. और अब हम यहाँ से लाइन में लगने जा रहे थे. यहाँ से तो भीड़ नहीं थी, बट आगे जाके बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी. After a long path of faith, we were blessed with darshan of Bhole Baba, and I felt extremely happy and emotional after the darshan. It took us 4 hours. Then we visited one more mandir which was around 2 kilometers away, and this was Mamleshwar Jyotirling Mandir. And here we were allowed to offer Bhole Baba Ganga Jal, rose water and flowers by our own hand. Then I drank kesar milk because मुझे बहुत ठंडी लग रही थी. फिर डिनर किया and पहुंच गया धर्मशाला. And this was all for the video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.